Beverly, what's going on? What? You're not feeling too good? Why? What's going on? Talk to me, Sam. Everything is stressing you out. Really? Yeah? Well, let me tell you something, Beverly. Listen to me, Sam. Good on. Listen to me. We can't never have a coffee in peace without no blood before. But we different. So, I'm going to tell you it straight. Are you listening? I hope you are. Listen to me because me only going to say it one time. All right, darling? No. You want to swap life with me? You want to trade your life in for mine? I don't think so, Beverly. Because let me tell you something. I'm going to set you straight today. Stop stressing and stop worrying yourself about things that you might not be able to change. You got to go with the flow, darling. Go with the flow. Bloody Laura. What? It's easy for me to say. Oh, please, darling. No. I have been through hell and back. Yeah, but the difference between me and you, Beverly, I decide not to let things that is not going my way to downpress me or stress me out till I can't function. Snap out of it. Bloody hell. Listen, keep it moving. You know, I was speaking to one of my good friends, Jimmy, the other night, and he said, Sam, keep it bloody moving. And that's what I've been doing. And from I've done that, I feel so much better. And I'm going to tell you the same thing. Keep it moving, girl. Right. What? Your man stressing you out. All the bills are coming in and it's just you paying the bills. Well, let me tell you something. Beverly, it's up to you. If you want to sit down there and let everything stress you out, and the one little piece of waste man where you have stress you out, then that is your choice. People go as far as you allow them to. You understand what I mean? What do you mean, look who's talking? What, because I've had 4 husbands in my lifetime? Yeah, and the 5th one is on the way. What are you talking about? Listen, people might think that I don't take marriage seriously. I do. But listen, if the person ain't operating right and I'm trying, and the person is not meeting me halfway, guess what, baby? I'll keep it moving. If the bills come in and I'm overloaded, I work harder and pay them. I keep it, what? Right, moving. If my children are stressing me out, what do? I don't sit down and roll and play dead. What do? Let's hear it all. Right, I keep it moving. Right. You can't quit in life. In this life, there is no room for quitters. You understand what I'm saying? Let me tell you a little story. True story now. Put in a disclaimer. I'm not down talking anybody or whatever. Yeah? But this is real. There was a period in my time when I left one of the Ways husband. I'm not going to say which one. Right? And my children were very young. You understand what I'm saying? And I had it so hard when I decided to leave that individual, right? And I didn't have it easy. I didn't have no family around me, really. I didn't have no help or support. I could have sit down and cried every day and fall apart. But I chose instead to what? Let's hear it. Keep it moving. And I remember my twins were 22 months and my youngest daughter was 16 weeks old. Yes, 16 weeks old, Beverly, 16 weeks old. Right. I had 3 children under the age of 2 young. Right. And when I go to the supermarket, I got some serious looks from everybody. Right? Because I was living in Oxford, which is very posh. And it was in the rural area. There was really no black people or mixed race people. Only 2%, and me and my kids made that 2%. Let me keep it real. Right? And it was hard for me to go grocery shopping. And I had to tie on one of my children, the 16 weeks old one, onto my stomach. Are you listening? I hope you are. Right. And the other two I had in a double buggy. And I'm pushing it proudly with my head up high. And I'm doing my shopping like there's no tomorrow. You understand what I mean? And I put all those groceries on the handles of the double buggy. And I was making my way home, which was about 20 minutes, about 20-25 minutes walk in the cold in England, right? Yeah. And I wasn't even halfway home. And guess what, Beverly? Listen to me. Right. 3 of the bags out of 10 of the bags, right? I can laugh about it now. I wasn't laughing then, right? Split open. Mr. Beverly, tin of beans, tin of vegetables, everything plenty grown with those 3 bags that bust open. And guess what? There wasn't anybody in sight, because I live in a rural area then, to help me pick up the groceries. And I could have lost the plot. It was just too much. And do you know what I done instead? I kept it moving and I said, to God be the glory, great things he has done. Because some people don't have so much groceries like me that their basket is overflowing and dropping all over the damn street. Yes, I had to talk to myself like that. I had to. And I found a way. I took my time and picked up what I had to pick up and repack in the other bags, which wasn't broken, and at the side of the double buggy. And guess what? I made it home by myself, okay, with the right attitude and just praising God that he has made a way that I could feed my children. You understand what I'm saying, Beverly? Yeah. Right. Keep it bloody moving. Right. Your man cheating on you? Keep it moving. Huh? Your family turned their backs on you? Keep it moving. Your friends are stabbing you in the back? Hold your head up high. Keep it moving. You understand what I'm saying? This too will pass. You understand what I mean, Beverly? And guess what? You have to be thankful for what you do have and stop reflecting so much on what you don't have. Because in doing so, God will make a way for what you don't have to manifest itself, and you will have it. We got to learn to have patience, Beverly. You've been waiting a long time and nothing because of your bloody attitude. Stop the pity party. And if you want to continue to be friends with me, baby, you got to have the right energy. Because let me tell you something. It's so vital for you to have the right people with the right mindset and the right mastermind around you to help build you up and lift you up when you feel down like this. Do you get it? I hope you get it, Beverly. Yeah, because this ain't no joke. What? You feel like you're going to lose your mind? Well, let me tell you something. If I didn't lose my mind, nobody not going to lose their mind again. You understand? It's 4 ways husbands. And I'm still going to it. What can I say? I cannot sit down and have a pity party with you, Beverly. I'm not going to do it. You want to sit down and have a pity party with the devil, you go ahead. Count me out. I'm not invited. I don't want to be invited. You're laughing now. Yeah, because you know I'm making bloody sense, mate. Yeah. Look what's going on in Jerusalem now because of the West Trump. Look what is happening. You can't pollute your mind with what's going on in the media. You're sitting down, watching these depressing TV news shows and what have you. Fill your mind with positive energy and positive things. Watch positive things, Beverly. Just don't sit down. You're already not in a good spirit or in a good frame of mind. Let go of the negative energy. I said keep it moving. That's what you got to do. Right? And turn your life around. And believe in God Almighty, and he will direct your path. Oh, Beverly, come out of the phone. And if you got something good to say, Huh? I know, Beverly. I know it's not easy. Bloody hell. I know it's not easy, but you know what? It will pass. It's just your mindset. Train your mind. Reprogram your mind. Huh? It's like battles of the mind. Let it go and just let God. Go get your nails done. Huh? Go for a good walk. Exercise like mini fiddles to say with them. You know, see, don't get to them. No laugh, no laugh. Yeah. Come on, get it together, all right? And keep it moving. Yeah. No, I'm not going to be in later. I got work. I've been off for about 10 days. Yeah, I had my vacation a break. And vacation is not for me to be going here and there. It's to relax my mind and cleanse my body, my soul, and everything, and my energy so I can keep it moving again. That's what you've got to do sometime. You've got to take some time out, and you've got to detox all the stress. Come on, you can do it, Beverly. Are you going to do it? Okay, I hope so. All right, love you too. Talk to you soon. Bye.